Hello everyone. Welcome back to HVAC official channel. Have you ever wondered how an air conditioner actually cools your room? Many people think an AC creates cold air, but that's not true. An air conditioner doesn't create cold. It removes heat from inside your room and releases it outside. In today's video, I'll explain how an AC works in the simplest way possible. If you're a beginner, homeowner, or HVAC student, this video will help you understand the basic refrigeration cycle. Let's get started. What does an air conditioner do? The main job of an air conditioner is to transfer heat. It takes heat from inside your room and moves it outside using a special fluid called refrigerant. Think of refrigerant like a heat carrier. It absorbs heat inside your room and carries that heat to the outdoor unit, where it is released into the outside air. This process repeats continuously until the room reaches the temperature you've set. The four main parts of an AC. Every split AC or window AC works using four main components. 1. Evaporator coil. The evaporator is located inside the indoor unit. Warm room air passes over the cold evaporator coil. The refrigerant inside the coil absorbs heat from the air, making the air cooler before it is blown back into the room. This is where the cooling process begins. 2. Compressor. The compressor is located in the outdoor unit and is often called the heart of the air conditioner. Its job is to compress the refrigerant gas, increasing its pressure and temperature. This allows the refrigerant to circulate through the system and release the heat it collected from inside the room. Without the compressor, the refrigeration cycle cannot work. 3. Condenser coil. The condenser is also located in the outdoor unit. The hot, high-pressure refrigerant enters the condenser coil, and the outdoor fan blows air across it. As heat is released to the outside air, the refrigerant cools and changes back into a liquid. This is why the outdoor unit blows warm air. It is removing heat from your room. 4. Expansion device. Before returning to the indoor unit, the liquid refrigerant passes through an expansion valve or capillary tube. This device reduces the refrigerant's pressure, causing its temperature to drop rapidly. The refrigerant becomes cold again and is ready to absorb more heat when it reaches the evaporator coil. How the complete cycle works. Here's the complete process in simple words. The evaporator absorbs heat from your room. The compressor compresses the refrigerant and pumps it to the outdoor unit. The condenser releases the heat outside. The expansion device lowers the refrigerant's pressure and temperature. The cold refrigerant then returns to the evaporator, and the cycle repeats continuously. This entire process is called the refrigeration cycle. Why is refrigerant important? Refrigerant is the working fluid that transfers heat. It circulates inside a sealed system and continuously changes between liquid and gas as it absorbs and releases heat. Under normal conditions, refrigerant is not consumed. If the refrigerant level becomes low, it usually indicates a leak that should be repaired before recharging the system. Conclusion. An air conditioner doesn't create cold air. It removes heat from inside your room and releases it outdoors. The evaporator absorbs heat. The compressor pumps the refrigerant. The condenser releases heat outside. And the expansion valve lowers the refrigerant's pressure so the cycle can begin again. Once you understand these four main components, you've learned the basic working principle of almost every air conditioning system. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to HVAC official channel.